Well, hey there, Ghost Cats and Ghost Kittens. It is Ghostcatpatrick. I am in another hotel room because that's apparently what I do. I just travel the country and go from hotel room to hotel room. And yes, that is Scooby-Doo playing in the background because I fucking love Scooby-Doo. Anyway, so happy January 31st, 2026. You'll notice, if you are a Ghostcatpatrick subscriber, that in 2025, I promised to do a video a week, every day, or every week in 2025. And for the most part, I did that. But here we are, it's 2026, and all bets are off. I've kind of made some decisions. I learned a lot from 2025. I learned a lot from doing that in 2025, which is what I wanted to do. I wanted to do, once a week. It's 52. I got 52 videos. People can look back at what my 2025 was like. Boo, 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 all cool. 2026, I want to approach in a slightly different way. The things that I've learned is that, number one, it's really, really difficult to do weekly content, especially when you're working, you're traveling, you're doing things, you've got this whole life and stuff around you, but you also are, it almost feels like a weight around my neck that I have to do these videos and stuff like that. So the quality of what I was putting out was crap, for the most part. I mean, some of them were very, very good. The Royal Enfield one was good. The haunted ones should have been better, but they were kind of like an afterthought that I was shooting while I was on the road shooting other things. So I didn't really get a chance to plan them because I kind of came up with them on the fly. They weren't what I wanted, and I kind of hurried through them just to get them done, to get them on, get them on YouTube. 2026, I don't want to do that. No, 2026, what I want to do is produce content for you, continue to produce content for you. I know there's only like, 100, 200 of you actually watching. So, ooh, boo-hoo, Patrick's not producing content for us. Whatever. But I want to produce good content for you. Like, I want to do interesting things. I want to do more planned out things. I want my final products to be a little bit more polished. Definitely a little bit more interesting. I want some purpose, I think, for a lot of stuff. Sorry, I'm adjusting things. The iPhone changed its camera setup, so I'm trying to learn that. So that's fun. Yeah. So I want to do some more interesting things. I want to do purpose-driven things. I want to do informative things. Basically, I want to bring value to you as a viewer of my channel. With that in mind, I have a few things that I kind of planned that I've been talking about for a while that I haven't actually gotten around to doing. One of which is a show that Addy Cat and I are going to be doing together. I think you're really going to like that one. I'm actually really looking forward to that. But it's not going to happen. It's not going to be a monthly thing. It's not going to be a weekly thing. It's going to be whenever we find the topics that we want to cover, we're going to produce them at that point. So it should be better content. I hate that word content, but it's true. It's probably going to be better quality material. Yeah. And I'm hoping to do that with everything that I do, not just the stuff with Addy Cat, but just everything that I produce. I want it to be entertaining, informative, important, whatever, and not just me, like I'm doing right now, talking crap at a camera. That being said, I'm going to be doing more reels. So another thing that I learned in 2025 is that reels are kind of, number one, kind of important. Number two, they can be fun, they can be interesting, and they can be a kind of a way to keep people who actually care about me as a human being, not just not just the stuff that I produce, but who want to be a little bit more engaged with me as Patrick. That's a good way of me talking to you directly, I guess. So expect more of those. which might actually start doing this week. I'm on the road. Right now I'm in Miami, Florida, covering something that I covered last year. They're doing the event again. I'm covering that. I don't want to get too into that one because I'm actually not going to cover this content. Hoity-toity rich people doing hoity-toity rich people stuff. It's not the kind of thing that I am comfortable necessarily sharing with the world without permission, so not even gonna bother with that one. But I will be, after I leave Miami, heading to Las Vegas to cover NADA, the National Automotive Dealers Association. I believe that's what it stands for. Conference out there. That should be fun. I mean, it's all stuff for automotive dealerships and whatnot, but there should be some fun stuff to do out there. And it's Las Vegas, so I'm going to find something interesting to produce for you from Vegas, because it's Vegas, and Vegas, Vegas is Vegas. A lot of cool stuff going on in Vegas. So even if it's stupid, I'll probably make something for you. So, but yeah, so one thing I do want to do this year, I'm asking for your input. If you do follow the Ghostcatpatrick channel, I'd like to hear a little bit more from you. I'd like to hear back from you about content you like. It seems like you really like my motorcycle content. Yay. You guys seem to be enjoying well enough my mead making stuff, so I'm probably going to lean into that a little bit. Here in a few weeks, it's going to be my racking video. I'm probably not going to post this. I'm probably just going to post this directly from my phone, so I'm probably not going to tag a thing. You know how you get little tags up here, here, look at this video, here, look at that video. Just go back to my channel, check it out. I made a mead making video. If you ever wanted to learn to make mead, which is honey wine, watch that video. It's my method. There are a lot of methods. It's cool. It's the beginning of the process, not the ending of the process. So I started the beginning process. I'm gonna do the racking and then how to finish it out later. But anyway, thanks for sticking with me for 7 minutes. I'm done talking. But yeah, give me some feedback. Talk to me. Tell me what you like, what you don't like, what you like to see me do, if you just want to watch more of me talking to freaking cameras, I can do that. But that's probably not going to be the case. Yeah, so happy 2025 or 2026. Good, fuck you, 2025. Come on, 2026. Let's please have a better year, because 2025, let's face it, sucked for most people. 2026 is, wow, 2026. This is going to be interesting. So anyway, enjoy it. Talk to you soon. Bye.